Today, we're excited to introduce you to Powerbeats Pro, all new totally wireless earphones from Beats. The included case provides a durable home for the earphones to recharge or even dock on your desk or nightstand and conveniently charges with a lightning connection. When you open up the case, you'll find Powerbeats Pro perfectly seated inside. The earphones must remain in the case while pairing to your device. Powerbeats Pro have a sleek design and are 17% lighter and 23% smaller than Powerbeats 3 Wireless. Full controls on each side allow you to listen with both earbuds or just one at a time. The volume rocker on the top of the housing, along with a multifunction B button, gives you full control of your music and phone calls. Powerbeats Pro uses the Apple H1 chip, which allows you to easily pair with an iOS device with just the tap of a button. Simply open the case next to your device, tap Connect, and you're paired. The earbuds are then automatically synced to all Apple products signed into your iCloud account. To pair with an Android device, press and hold the Bluetooth pairing button located on the front of the case and follow standard setup for Bluetooth devices. The white LED light on the front of the case will flash while in pairing mode and remain solid once the earphones have been successfully paired. Powerbeats Pro comes out of the box with medium-sized ear tips on and includes 3 additional sets of multi-sized ear tips for the perfect custom fit. Putting them on is easy. Simply hold each earphone by the bridge up to the ear. Rest the earphone loosely in your ear with the ear hook tucked behind. Slightly twist the earphone to secure it into place and adjust to your liking. Each earbud delivers up to 9 hours of listening time, and you'll get more than 24 hours when combined with the case. With fast fuel technology, a 5-minute charge in the case gives you up to 1.5 hours of playback, while a 15-minute charge gives you up to 4.5 hours when battery is low. When the earphones and case are completely drained, it only takes 2.5 hours to fully charge.